Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to license ArcGIS Desktop 10.7 on your computer. So I've navigated to the section of the web course in the Before We Get Started page. I've scrolled down to the Software, Download, and Installation section. You see this Google Drive link that has been provided, and this will provide you with files for software installation and licensing files as well. So we'll click on this, we'll open up the Google Drive folder that's hosted online, and we'll go into the ArcGIS Desktop 10.7 folder. So you'll see this .exe file, which is the software installation for ArcGIS Desktop 10.7, and then you'll also see this .prvc file, which is the licensing and provisioning file used to license the software. So we will right click on this and left click on download, and it should download pretty quickly because it's not a very big file. Depending on what browser you use, this might be in a different location, but there should be a little arrow that allows you to go directly to the downloads folder and find the file in there. So I'll click on show in folder, and you can simply just double click this file and run it like an executable. You probably have to tell your computer yes that you can make changes with this. And this authorization wizard should pop up. And from here, it should be a pretty straightforward process. There are just a few quirks that I want to show you, but it's mostly a matter of clicking next through all the prompts. So you want to make sure that this radio button is selected, which says I have received an authorization file and am now ready to finish the authorization process, and it should have your file referenced here in this box. So we'll click next. We can click next on authorize the internet. All of this information that's already populated, you'll want to leave that in there because this license file was generated by someone at the University of Tennessee at Knoxville, and it has been distributed through her. So we'll leave that all in there. Click next. These three categories, you can really choose whatever you believe is most suitable for you, but I'll go ahead and suggest selecting education, student, GIS services, and you can select student or GIS analyst or whatever you believe is most suitable for you with this one as well. Go ahead and click next. And then the license number should be in there, so click next. And you can click next through this, and also through this. And it should take a few moments for it to connect to the internet and authorize you. You see the green bar is progressing. It says, congratulations, your software has been authorized. And now from here, I'm going to go to my start menu, go down to the ArcGIS folder, and run ArcMap 10.7. Sometimes it can take a bit for this to begin running. Here we go. And it says loading document. That's always a good sign. Hooray! It loaded up. There's one last thing I want to show you to do so that you can have full access to all of the extensions that come with the software that we're licensed to use. So go up to Customize on the menu, click on that, and click on Extensions. And this window with all of the different extensions will come up, and And you especially want to make sure that Spatial Analyst is checked. But we can go ahead and check as many of these as is allowed. See if it will allow us to do all of them. Okay, it did. And now that you have all of those checked, you'll have access to a whole bunch of tools within the software. Alright, so that should take care of it. And if any of you have any questions, feel free to contact your course manager, Nisa Hunt, at nisa-hunt@utc.edu. Thanks, take care.